Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, we are introducing the KPS100 Pressure Transmitter. It uses a diffused silicon pressure sensing element and features an all-stainless steel construction, offering reliable performance, easy installation, and strong anti-interference capability. It is widely used in pneumatic systems, hydraulics, water supply, fire protection, and other industrial applications. The product specifications are as follows. Part 1. Wiring. First, let's open the sensor's Hirschman connector. We can see 4 terminals, each with its label on the right side. The one I have is the 2-wire 4 to 20 mA version. The wiring sequence is: Pin 1 corresponds to power plus, also 4 to 20 mA loop plus. Pin 2 corresponds to power, also 4 to 20 mA loop. Pin 3 is left unconnected, and pin 4 is grounded. Next, we will connect the 4 wires to their corresponding positions. This is how it looks after wiring. Pin 1 is connected to the red wire, pin 2 to the blue wire, pin 3 to the white wire. This is unused and has no function. And pin 4 to the black wire, which is the ground. Next, reinstall the connector back into place. Part 2. Power connection. After confirming that the wiring is correct, we can now power on the KPS100. The black wire is connected to GND. The blue wire is connected to the power negative and also to the ammeter to observe the 4 to 20 milliamperes current. The red wire is connected to the power positive. And the white wire is left unconnected and has no function. After powering on, the sensor is currently at normal temperature and pressure, with an output current of 5.452 milliamperes. As the pressure increases, the output current will rise accordingly. You can gently apply pressure by hand to observe the current change. The demonstration has concluded. Thank you for watching. For product details or selection consultation, please contact us through the official channels.